Hi guys, so today is Thursday and this is your math lesson for Thursday. There's not really any new learning. We're really just checking to see if doing those array monsters this week helped you guys understand how to make an equation for an array. So we have a few questions for you. So first, make sure you watch the video. If you're listening to me, then you are. Watch the whole video through because it's going to help you out a lot to understand what you're going to do in this test, okay? So the first thing that Miss Acton has put into this Google form is a visual to help you. So you're going to have to use your plus symbol in this. And so this is what most Chromebook keyboards look like. Yours may not look exactly like this, but most keyboards look very similar to this. And the symbol that you need today to make your equations to go with your arrays is this button right here. And it's a plus symbol and an equal symbol. And I'll even zoom in a little bit. So you see a plus symbol and an equal symbol. The problem with this button is if you just push it, it's going to give you the equal symbol. But we know that equations don't always just have an equal symbol. They need plus symbols and sometimes subtraction symbols, sometimes division symbols and multiplication symbols, which we don't really worry about in second grade. But you need to be able to type that plus symbol. So how you do that is first you push this shift button. So on your keyboard, you've got the backspace button, this funny button that's got two different lines, the enter button, and then shift. So find that on your keyboard right now. Good. So it's got the SHIFT shift button. It's one of the bigger buttons on your computer keyboard. So you're going to push the shift button and hold it down. You have to hold it down. And as you're holding it down, you click the plus symbol and equal symbol, and it'll give you the plus symbol. If you do not hold the shift button down, which you're also going to need to do, it'll just type the equal symbol. So when you're wanting to type either the plus symbol or the equal symbol in your equations today, all you have to do is hold the shift button down and at the same time push this button to get the plus symbol, or not even touch the shift button at all. Don't touch it and just push this button, you'll get the equal symbol. Okay, so maybe you could practice that a little bit on our form today, but then make sure you have the correct answers. So I'm going to zoom back out. So that's kind of a visual. So if you're having trouble trying to get the plus symbol to show up on some of these answers, come back up here and use this visual to help you. First question says, what is an equation you could write for this array? And the cool thing about this is, you might forget about this video. If you click this blue link down here, it's blue and underlined, it'll pull up a video of me reading this equation to you, showing you what array you need to find, and then reading these equations to you. So once you watch that video, you'll get a better understanding of what you need to do, and then you just choose one of these four answers that matches this array of eyeballs. And question number 2 is where you actually need to type. So this is where that shift key and that plus and equals key on your keyboard is where you need to use it. So again, there is an underlined blue link, and if you click on that, I will read this a question to you. Type an equation that matches this array, so just one equation that matches this array of eyeballs, and then you're going to type it down here. So you just click in this answer box, and then you can type whatever numbers that you need. If it's a 7, then you push that shift key and the plus equals key, the plus symbol will show up. If you do not push the shift key and you push that button, just the equal symbol shows up, and you need all of them to create your equations. After you type that, you move down to question number 3. There's only 3 questions today. And the same thing except not with an array of eyeballs, but an array of apples. And in this one, it wants you to type the 2 equations that match this array. So you're going to type one equation that adds the rows, and then you're going to type a second equation that adds the columns. So 2 different equations. So again, if you forget how to find that plus symbol and that equal symbol, scroll back up to the top of this page, use that visual to show you where the plus symbol key is, and then the shift key will help you click that key to make the plus symbol. So you can use both of those symbols to type your answer in this answer box right here. Good luck, have fun, and Miss Acton will see you later. Bye guys.